Now we will going to learn about a sales related advanced techniques. In sales, we have something called as a document. We'll check what exactly it is. Documents. We already learned about how to create a deals and task. Now we are going to check about a document. For example, here in document, we can upload a documents. Okay, you can from a local file from your computer or from a Google Drive also you can upload. You can upload. For example, one particular this particular document or PDFs you would like to upload. There is no PDFs. Okay, this particular document is there. We have been uploaded here. Where it will helpful. These documents will show you. Okay, you can create a documents like this. Total 5 documents you can upload in your HubSpot. Always remember that total 5 documents you can upload it. Then it comes about a meeting. You can directly contact with the Google Calendar for a meeting. We already learned for a better meeting, one of the better meeting site that is nothing but a yes Microsoft Outlook. So I will not be going to discuss in detail about this particular one because it will create much more like when you have been learn more and more tools, it will be very confusing. So you already learn about 16 tools in a Google. Again, will not be using a Google to create a meeting and all. We'll be using a yes Outlook only to create a meetings. Then it comes to a quotes. We can create a quote. Okay, this is nothing but a deal type in the sense, for example, particular printing deal. Okay, for a printing deal we can create one quote. Okay, we have been created 2 deals, right? For that particular deal we can create a quotation. Okay, how to create a quotation? Now next we selected a deal. Okay, we can select a template here, whichever the template you would like to select. You can select that particular template, quotation template. Okay, like this we can create a quotation template. And name of the quote. Okay, printing deal in 19 days it will expire, get expired this quotation. And comment to buyer, in the sense whatever you would like to say to the buyer. And purchase items you can write here, what are the things you are going to purchase. Okay, like this you can quote here, like we are happy to deal with you. Okay, like this comment. And which are the items we are going to purchase, like desk print. Okay, banners, banner, like this we have been added here. What are the things we are going to purchase? You can add a quantity also here itself. Then we can say next. You can give the buyer info, like you can add directly the company name we selected and the person we have been selected. If you like to add further context, for example, not only the person purchase manager, you would like to add a one more person there, you can add here from the existing contact. It's not there anyone. Okay, you can create a new contact and you can add it to a this particular deal. This particular person has been added to the deal, only one person has been shown here. Then next, your information you can select, anything else you can change. Okay, if you are not having any company you can select a no company name, or you can create a your information here. Okay, then Next, it will be product. You can add the products here. Okay, you can add a products like which are the products. Okay, and what is the quantity. Then here you can give the unit price like per unit how much it is. Okay, and billing frequency, is it monthly one time, like this we can select. And we can say cost. Okay, you will automatically, it will calculate how much is your margin. Okay, this is the price, this is the cost for manufacturing, like this. Okay, you can check what will the margin you will get, and say save. Like this we will be, you can add up products. Okay, then go to next. You have been added up products. Okay, here we have been added up some of the details also. You can use a signature if you like to use a signature, space for a signature. If you like to use a signature, we need to pay for that one. Same space for a signature at the end. Okay, we have a signature space here. Then next, it will show how it will look like your quotation. Okay, directly we can create a quotation here itself. You can change India. Okay, then you can create a quotation. Okay, directly you can copy this particular quotation and you can share with your client, or you can email with this particular quotation to your client. Okay, you can directly send an email. It will generate email here. Directly it has been generated, that particular code. Okay, can go to the code here, printed printing deal. It will be attached directly and you can send. Similarly, document what you have been created, directly you can use that document, any of the document you would like to attach. Directly from here you can add the document, you can send. Okay, like this we can create a quotations here by using a codes. We can create a quotations. Okay, and directly we can send it with the customer. Similarly here, meetings also we can create. We already said meetings we are going to deal with the, yes, Outlook. And documents also we can create. If you like to create a meeting, you can connect with the Google Calendar. Okay, connect to your calendar here. Okay, accept to connect a Google Calendar. It will connect to your Google Calendar. In Google Calendar you have to mark meetings. Okay, whatever the meetings you have been marked in a your Google Calendar, it will be shared here. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to use a meetings here.